This is GCSE Further Maths Pure. We're on Unit 6 Integration, and this is our first look then at definite integration. A definite integral is one which can be evaluated, i.e. the final answer is a number. It's written as this, so there's your function of x, which is just like, x squared plus 5x, just pick something at random. And then we have wee numbers here, where f of x is the given function of x. A and b are the upper and lower bounds of the integral. To calculate the integral, integrate the function, substitute a in for x, and subtract a substituted b in for x. Write down the value in this form here, and find in your sum where the integral of f of x dx equals g of x plus c. So our example 1 is this. It'll hopefully make sense whenever you see it actually done. So what do? And we integrate it and put it in a big box. Add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, plus c. And then we write the 3 here and the 1 here. We substitute the number 3 into it. 4 upon 3 to the power 6 over 6 plus c. And then we substitute the number 1 into it and we subtract it. 4 over 6 obviously tidies down to 2/3, but we'll leave it as it is for the minute. Don't know how your sums are. So 3 to the power 6, what is it, 729 divided by 6 times by 4, 486 plus c. Take away, that one's an easy one, 4/6, and then minus c. Notice the c's just cancel each other out there. 486 take away 2/3 is 485 and a third. So just a wee note about that, again just what I said. Notice c cancels out, so when given limits, we leave out the c. So we just don't bother even kind of putting the c in whenever we integrate from now on, if it's definite integration, if we have the wee numbers there at the top and the bottom. Let's look at example 2. We need to do a wee bit of rearranging and multiplying out before we would integrate here. So that's going to be the integral of 2 minus 1. First, x times x, x squared. Outer plus 3x, inner minus 3x, actually difference of 2 squares, so there's no x term. Minus 9 dx. Integrating then. Add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, minus 9x, and that's in between 2 and minus 1. Notice we've left out the plus c this time. So it's 2 cubed over 3 minus 9 upon 2. Take away minus 1 cubed over 3 minus 9 upon minus 1. I'll do the calculations I think in each bit here. So what we're doing. So that would be 8 over 3 minus 18. Take away minus 1 cubed over 3 is minus a third, and then that's going to be plus 9. Whatever way you want to do that, that's like 2 2/3. Take away 18, so it's minus 15 and a third, and then minus 8 and 2/3. Hope you're okay with the sums there, and that tidies up then to give us minus 24.